The dream was always to be able to bring it to Wales, and that became a reality pretty early on. So we knew that we would be coming here to this amazing theatre.
Cymro di gwneud yn dda oedd yn Nye Bevan, a felly rhyw fath o groeso nôl I arwr, dwi'n meddwl ydy'r ymateb sy'n mynd I fod.
And you have all these different Welsh accents on such a big stage is so exciting, and you can feel the atmosphere and how everyone's just really rooting for the play.
I think the whole play people will be talking about after, but I think people will be talking about what actually drove him to achieve what he achieved.
Things that are in this play really speak to people, but particularly to a Welsh audience.
Gan bo' 'na gymaint yn digwydd, dwi'n meddwl I bod i'n ddrama sy'n aros efo pobl.
O, dwi'n meddwl bod o'n ofnadwy o bwysig bod ni fel Cymru yn deud ein straeon ni am ein pobl ni. Mae'n fraint llwyr cael bod yn y sioe.
I think it's really important for people to be able to see themselves represented on screen and on stage. Nye grew up in the valleys in Tredigga, I grew up in Pontypridd, and to see what he accomplished is so inspiring.
I remember reading the scene that's set in the library. Nye is a young boy. It moved me to tears just reading it on the page.
Mae yna olygfa ar ddiwedd y ddrama sydd yn anodd iawn I fynd drwyddi. Heb I ddagryn dod i'r lygad.
Oh, that's a good question. The bit that I wish he could see most would be his battle with Churchill. I think it would make him laugh quite a bit.
I like this question. It's not an actual moment in the play itself, it's the reaction to the play. I wish he could really see the response.
Very strong feelings at the end. There are tears streaming down people's faces, so I suppose I would want him to be able to just sort of be there on the stage at the end.